So now you've got your membership site set up, you've got all your products listed, but now you need the ability for your customers to log in and get access to your special content. And the way they do that is by clicking this login button right up here in the top right-hand corner. When they click that, they're going to be asked to enter the same email address and password that they created initially when they purchased the membership from you. Now, once they fill this out, they need to see a special members-only menu bar where they can get access to all your content. So this is the normal menu bar at the top that every visitor to your website gets to see, whether they're a member or not a member. But there's a special menu bar that's going to show up below. So we need to set that up. So we're going to go back to our AllProWebTools account. We're going to go to Website, My Web Pages, and we're going to create a new page. And this page is going to be titled Members Home. And down here, we're going to type welcome to the members only area. And here in the members only button, we get to select which packages they would have had to purchase in order to see this specific page. So if you have different package levels that give access to different information, this is how you do it. So now this is just the members homepage that I'm setting up. So I want everybody to be able to see that. So I'm just going to click all of the checkboxes. And the next thing I need to do is go to settings and add this to the members menu bar. And I'm going to set the precedence level to number 1. So it'll be the first item on the members menu bar. So I'm going to hit save. And now I'm going to go back to my website and I'm going to log in as my sample customer. Now you'll notice when I logged in, I was not taken to the members homepage. So that's what I want to set this up for. So I'm going to click on the members homepage and I'm going to select this part of the URL that's right after the .com. And I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go back to my AllProWebTools account and I'm going to go to settings and then website. And here under the other settings, I'm going to check force redirect on login, yes. And I'm going to put the URL in there that I want redirected to, and I'm going to hit save. So now if I go back to my website and I log out and I log back in, now I've been taken to the members only area. So now let's add some additional content to the members only area. I'm going to go to website, my web pages. I'm going to add another web page. And then I'm going to put an image on here, some content. Now this will be a link to a video. And I can choose which video I want that to go to by clicking this link button here. And then I can open another web browser and go to YouTube. And I select the video that I want. And I'll just copy the link address. And then I'll go back and I'll just paste that link address in there and hit OK. And then I need to add this to the menu bar, to the members menu bar. And I'm going to put this in position 2. And then I also need to go to the members only tab and choose which membership products would have to be purchased by this user in order to see this page. So now I'm going to go back and click on members home, and you can see I have another item here, members content page 2. And now you can see I have a little video play button and I can click that. It's going to take them to YouTube. Now I'm also going to go back and create another page. I'm going to create another video page, and this one's going to play the video right on my website. And for this one, I'm just going to click right here where it says Insert YouTube Video. And I'm going to do a search for any video on YouTube that I want. And here's one. So I'm going to click Insert and Close, and that pops it right into my website. And now I'm going to go to Settings, and I'm going to put this on the menu bar, and I'm going to put this in position 3. And then I'm going to go to Members Only, and I'm going to put it into all of the packages, hit Save, go back to AllProWebTools, click on Home, and now I've got my members homepage, I've got my members content page 2, and I've got my video playing right on the website for page 3.
Hey, this is Dave from AllProWebTools.
So now what if I wanted to put all of these videos on the same tab and then have subdirectories under that? Pretty easy to do. Go back here, and we're going to create a new web page. And this will be a members only video. And same thing, we'll go to Settings, we'll put it on the menu bar, put it in position 2, and we're going to put some content on the page. Here is where members can view videos. All right, and then again on the members page, all the members need to have access to this page. So I'm going to hit Save and go back and reload. And now you can see I have my members video page with the other videos next to it. And what I want to do is put those under it. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go to those pages specifically. Now this is a neat little thing here. You can see all the member pages highlighted with the blue label, so you can quickly find them. And I'm going to go to this members content page 2. I'm going to rename that. Take to YouTube. And what the trick is, I'm going to go to Settings, and then here where it says Parent Page, this will make this page a child of whichever parent I select here. So I'm going to make this a child of the members video page. And I'm going to click on Navigation Precedence 1. It'll be the first one underneath members video. I'm going to hit Save. And then I'm going to go back to my web pages. So I'm going to go back to the other one, which is Video on Website. And that's the one that plays right on the website. And I'm going to go to Settings, and I'm going to set the parent page to Members Video, and I'm going to set the precedence to number 2. So it'll be the second one when you drop down that menu of Members Video. So now I can go back to Home, click on and reload the page. And now when I put my mouse over Members Video, you can see I have a choice of selecting Take to YouTube or Video on Website. So that's how you make a submenu. Now this content cannot be seen by anyone who has not made a purchase or has stopped paying for their purchase. So you'll see that if I log out, that special members menu bar goes away. Now something else you can do with this members only menu bar is you could add a place to download source materials. So let's say you had some documents that you wanted to include with the membership, and you wanted your users to be able to come to your website into the members only area and download those materials. It's actually quite easy. So we would start by going back to our AllProWebTools account, and we would go to Website, Manage Images and Files. Now here I recommend creating a separate folder just for your own sanity so you can keep track of what's going where. So in this folder, I would call this Member Downloads. So now by clicking on this folder, I can then click the Upload button, and I'm going to put some files in there. So we're just going to put these CSV files in there. There they are. And then we're going to return to the files list. So now you can see all of the documents that I've loaded into my website. So now I want to create links. So to do that, I'm going to right click on the image, and I'm going to click on Show URL. And it doesn't matter what this says, you just need to copy it. So now that I've copied that, I'm going to go back to my web pages, and I'm going to create a new web page for download material. Now, just like always, I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to add this to the menu bar, and I'm going to set the precedence. And then I'm going to go to the members only area and I'm going to specify which package levels have access to this special page, and I'm going to save it. And now on the in the content area, I'm going to place a link for that specific item. And when I put my title there, I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to click this little link button. And then I'm going to paste the URL right there. And that's going to link to the content. So I'm going to hit OK. And you can see that turns into a little link there. And then I'm going to hit save. And now I'm going to go back to my website and I'm going to reload it. And you can see my members only menu bar, I have a third option, which is downloads. Now, if I click on that, it's going to show me the web page where I have the link to download that item. So they can click on that item, or they can right click on that item and save link as, and that's what's going to download it to their computer. So you might want to put a little bit of instructions there. So I say, use your mouse to right click on any item to download. And we'll go ahead and save that. I'll go back, look at it, and click on downloads. And there's my instructions, and then there's my download. So now if I wanted to add some more, I can say download this item and download another item. I'm going to save that. I'm going to go back to my images and files, and I'm going to get the next file that I uploaded, right click on it, go to show URL, copy everything it says here, go back to my web pages and find that downloads page right there. And then I'm going to highlight my tag, click on my link button and hit paste. And I'll hit OK and save. And then I can reload the downloads page and you can see I have my title there and all my downloads. Now I'm going to make this page a little bit prettier. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to highlight these items and I'm going to turn that into a bulleted list. And then I'm going to go here and change the size of the font of that header. And I'm going to save it and reload again. There you go. So there is my download page.